Welcome to Adarsh Education Society.
Hello kids, let's have a quick recall of part 1 and part 2. हमने part 1 में natural resources के बारे में पढ़ा था, right? We have learned about the natural resources in part 1. Then in part 2 we have understand the story of an orange, right? From where the orange came, right? It is Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia was the first home of the orange, and nowadays there are grown everywhere. Then what? There are three types of oranges, right? Three kinds of oranges, and those are sweet or common orange, Mandarin orange, and sour or bitter orange. And then in detail we have studied about these things, the characteristics of different types of oranges, right? Now we have also studied that sweet orange is also called the blood orange, right? Because why it is called blood orange? Because its pulp is deep red, right? And then we have studied about the sour orange. We make marmalade, यानी कि oranges के थ्रू जो हम बनाते हैं juices, jams, all those things, that is called marmalade. Then we have studied that why orange is called clean fruit, क्योंकि उसके पल्प को हम पील कर देते हैं और पल्प को ही छूते हैं, राइट? और उसकी जो स्किन होती है वो थिक, ऑयली एंड बिटर होती है, एंड दैट्स वाई द इंसेक्ट डू नॉट गेट इनटू द ऑरेंजेस एंड दे वर हाईली डिमांडेड. सो अब तक हमने ये पढ़ा. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एक्टिविटी नंबर 3. एक्टिविटी नंबर 3, स्टडी द फॉलोइंग कन्वर्जेशन यानी कि बातचीत एक दूसरे की, राइट? हम जब बातें करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड कन्वर्जेशन. एंड प्रोवाइड द मिसिंग पार्ट. ये जो मिसिंग यानी कि ब्लैंक्स, उसको हम मिसिंग पार्ट बोलते हैं, राइट? In your own words. You have to write it down in your own words, because maybe it is possible my word and your word will be different. Rather, the meanings are same. So, it is not necessary to use the word which I use. You can use yours also. Now, let's read the conversation first. Now, this is the conversation between Rohan and Amita, right? Rohan and Amita दोनों बातें कर रहे हैं. So, what is this? This is the conversation between Rohan and Amita. First of all, I will read the conversation and then I will missing part जो है उसको मैं fill up करूँगी, right? Let's start reading. Rohan: Hello Amita, are you okay? रोहन क्या बोलता है अमिता को? हेलो अमिता, आर यू ओके? क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, एंड दैट्स वाइल देयर इज क्वेश्चन मार्क ओवर हियर. अमिता रिप्लाइज, हाय रोहन, आई एम गुड. आई लुक अ बिट अनटाइडी बिकॉज ब्लैंक. सो अमिता क्या बोलती है? हाय रोहन रिप्लाई करती है, क्योंकि रोहन ने बोला ना हेलो अमिता, तो हम सामने क्या रिप्लाई करते हैं? व्हाट डू वी रिप्लाई? हाय रोहन. अगर कोई हमें हेलो बोलता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाय. सो ओवर हियर ऑल्सो रोहन सेज हेलो अमिता एंड अमिता रिप्लाइज हाय रोहन. एंड देन अमिता गिव्स आंसर of the question asked by the Rohan. Are you okay? So this question is asked by Rohan, and what Amita replies? I am good, right? Then further she says, I look a bit untidy. Untidy means थकान, right? यहाँ पे थकान होती है. Then untidy यानी कि messy भी होता है. So I look a bit untidy. So she looks tired. Because why? You have to fill this blank. You can fill this blank after finishing the whole paragraph. Now let's go further. Rohan, oh, so you were busy cleaning the school playground. So Rohan क्या बोलता है? ओह नाउ आई गॉट इट दैट यू वर बिजी यानी कि तुम व्यस्त हो. क्यों? बिकॉज शी इज क्लीनिंग द स्कूल प्ले ग्राउंड. राइट. नाउ यू कैन एबल टू आंसर दिस ब्लैंक. I look a bit untidy because I was cleaning the school playground. मैं यहाँ पे क्यों I use कर रही हूँ? Because Amita, she is telling this sentence and we need to complete this sentence according to the Amita's conversation. So I used I was cleaning the school playground over here. So the answer will be I was cleaning the school playground. Let's go further. Amita, yes, we started at dash and finish it only at dash. राइट यहाँ पे टाइम नहीं दिया गया है कब स्टार्ट हुआ था कब नहीं. बट लेट्स सी फर्दर. मे बी द आंसर विल बी इन दिस पैराग्राफ ओनली. Rohan. Now Rohan replies, oh, I see. So you worked for more than 5 hours. Oh my god. So Anita has worked for more than 5 hours. यानी कि 5 hours से ज़्यादा उसने काम किया है. So I hope everybody knows the answer of the conversation. Yes, we started at dash and finish it only at dash. Right. तो यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि she has worked for more than 5 hours. Right. So maybe let's write our school timing 7 o'clock. Right. So she started at 7 o'clock and it is more possibilities to finish at 1 p.m. Why? Because it is more than 5 hours. Right. You can write any time over here. आप अपना कोई भी टाइम लिख सकते हो 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock. राइट. बट 6 hours होने चाहिए. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज़ सेड दैट शी हैज़ वर्कड फॉर मोर देन 5 hours. राइट. सो एनी टाइम इज़ सुटेबल ओवर हियर रादर देन 5 hours से ज़्यादा. लेट्स सी फर्दर. अमिता, yes, but we enjoyed it. She says, though we have worked for more than 5 hours, but still we enjoyed a lot. I am going to tell my mom. What she is going to do? After going home, she is going to tell her mom that क्या बोलने वाली है वो? Guess. Obviously, she is going to tell that I have cleaned the school playground. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? I have cleaned the school playground. क्यों? Because उसने वही काम किया था ना. While she is at school, what she has done? She is cleaning the school playground. So the answer over here is I have cleaned the school playground. Now with the gaps we have filled, let's have a reading. Rohan, hello Amita, how are you? Amita replies, hi Rohan, I am good. I look a bit untidy because I was cleaning the school playground. Rohan says, oh, so you were busy cleaning the school playground. Amita replies, yes, we started at 8 a.m. and finished it only at 2 p.m. Rohan says, oh, I see. So you worked for more than 5 hours. Amita replies, yes, but we enjoyed it. I am going to tell my mom that I have cleaned the school playground. So this is the shortest conversation between Rohan and Amita. I hope everybody understand it. Now today I am going to give you one homework. So that is activity number 4. Imagine, आपको imagine करना है you are Amita, that I am Amita. Rewrite the conversation in the form of the passage. पैसेज के फॉर्म में, पैसेज यानी कि फकरा जो बोलते हैं ना, वो पैसेज के फॉर्म में आपको लिखना है, राइट। फ्रॉम अमिताज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, यानी कि आप ही अमिता हो तो अमिताज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपको ये फिलअप करना है. जस्ट ट्राई इट किड्स, then I will give you the passage for this, but you have to try first. Okay, see you next session. Thank you for joining us.